Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, let's learn how we can download our resume from LinkedIn. First of all, open your browser, type in linkedin.com, get logged into your LinkedIn account. You will see a page like this. Here, select your initial or your profile, then select settings and privacy. Now again, you will see a page like this. Here, directly select data privacy under settings. Now here, scroll below, and you will see job seeking preferences. Select resumes and job applications data. Now if you have not already added your resume, it will give you an option to upload resume. Now for example, I have added this PDF as my resume for showing you guys how to do it. You will see a three dot icon. Click onto it, either select it or simply select download. If you select download, it will be downloaded as a PDF in your file explorer, and you can also delete it if you would like. Now just like so guys, this is how easy it is. Thank you for watching.